Hello everyone. Today I am going to discuss about deamination reaction. In this deamination reaction, just two things we have to remember. First thing is elimination of amine group. First thing you have to remember elimination of amine group. And second thing we have to remember formation of एमोनिया, मतलब इसको हम बोलते हैं एमोनिया. So these two things are very basics of deamination reaction. First one, you have to remember elimination of which group? Amine group. And second things you have to remember, there is a formation of ammonia. If I proceed further regarding this deamination reaction, this reaction has four types. First one is oxidative deamination. So what does it mean actually? In layman language, we can say regarding oxidation, that means addition of oxygen with loss of electrons to a certain molecule. So now see what exactly the oxidative deamination is. Regarding this oxidative deamination, just remember this simple reaction. First, I already told to you people that here the terms oxidative, that means oxidation, it means that addition of oxygen with a loss of electrons to a certain molecule. Now you see, this is an amino acid. Just recall the core structure of amino acid. This is amino acid. And this one is nothing but, this one is alpha keto acid. Always remember, there is a formation of ammonia. Now see, very simple. Just look at this reaction, oxidative deamination. I already told you people that what is deamination is. First one is elimination of amine group. Amine group eliminate हो जाएगा. And second one is what? Formation of ammonia. This one is ammonia. Always remember these two simple basics. So this one is first concept regarding deamination is oxidative deamination. I will not discuss further it. I will proceed. Now come to number 2. reductive deamination. There is a word reduction. In land level language, I can say that reduction is nothing but the addition of hydrogen with a gain of electrons to a certain molecule. So now see the reaction. What is reductive deamination? See, this one is amino acid. Reducing agent. Now this one is, we termed it as a fatty acid. See, there is a formation of, again, formation of ammonia. So see, very simple. Reductive deamination reaction. Always remember this word. Very simple. I hope at least you people got a little idea regarding reductive deamination. Now come to the third one. Which one is hydrolytic deamination. This is broadly used in elimination reaction where water is used as a nucleophile. Just see the reaction. See, in this hydrolytic reaction, I told you people that this hydrolytic, the word hydrolytic, is basically used in elimination reaction where one group is eliminated. And here, which water we are using, used in hydrolytic reaction, it will work as a nucleophile. See, amino acid, water. There is a formation of which acid? This we termed it as a hydroxy acid. Hydroxy acid. See, again there is a formation of ammonia. This one is amino acid. See the basic structure of amino acid. See the difference. First one is oxidative deamination. Addition of oxygen with the loss of electrons. Second one is reductive deamination. Addition of hydrogen with a gain of electrons. Third one is hydrolytic deamination. Here the water, because word is hydrolytic, This one is amino acid. There is a formation of hydroxy acid as well as formation of ammonia. Always remember these things. Second option, formation of ammonia in each and every cases of various deamination reactions. Now give me 1 minute. I told the people that there are 4 types of deamination reaction. First one is oxidative deamination reaction. Second one is reductive deamination reaction. Third one is hydrolytic deamination reaction. And fourth one is intermolecular deamination reaction. Fourth one is intermolecular deamination reaction. Intermolecular deamination reaction. See, intermolecular. That means the reaction will happen within the molecule. That's why this one is intermolecular deamination reaction. Now see the reaction. See, very simple. This one is intermolecular deamination reaction. That means the reaction will happen within the molecule. Within the molecule. See, there is a formation of unsaturated fatty acid. See how ammonia is formed in this intermolecular deamination reaction. Also, this is the structure of our amino acid. See, there is a formation of unsaturated fatty acid as well as, always remember, formation of ammonia. First, what I told you people, that elimination of amine group regarding the concept of deamination. And second concept you have to remember, formation of ammonia. In each and every case, I hope you people noticed very carefully, there is a formation of ammonia. So see, this is the intermolecular deamination reaction. So if I once again repeat, the deamination reaction is nothing but number 1 is elimination of amine group, and number 2 concept is formation of ammonia. And always remember that this deamination reaction is 4 types. First one is oxidative deamination. Second one is reductive deamination. Third one is hydrolytic deamination. See, hydrolytic deamination. And last one, but not the least one, is intermolecular deamination reaction, which is happens within the molecule. Hope at least you people got a little idea regarding the concept of deamination reaction, which is associated with our amino acid metabolism reactions. Thank you everyone. We'll see you later.